Hello, CCBC librarian here with some quick tips on finding print books through our website. I can find them through Smart Search, but the best place to search is by clicking on the Books and eBooks box here. You can also look for ebooks by clicking here, but today we're going to use the combined Books and eBooks search function. The next step is to type in your keyword. You can choose to search by specific author or title by changing the bubbles. But let's stick with a classic keyword search. I'm looking for Greek mythology. Before going any further, I want to narrow down my results to print books only. I'm interested in the complete world of Greek mythology. Before I write down the call number, I'll click on the title to read the summary and see the table of contents. This will give me an idea as to whether this book is what I'm looking for. If I decide it is what I need, I can text myself the information, or I can write down the call number and title. Make sure you know the location of the book so you can know which campus has it. If it's not on your campus, you can request it for pickup. As always, if you have any questions, please contact a librarian in person, on the phone, or through email.